see glitter on your face when I look at you. Body is so perfect when I look. It look all on you. Working in school so you can get where you wanna be. I see your rap skills and education, it was starting me. I see glitter on your face when I look at you. Body.
Hey Dawn Gang, it's your girl Reality, and I'm coming back to you with another video. But this video is a little more different. We're doing a hair tutorial, a full-on hair tutorial. So let's get right into it. So as you can see right here, I'm just blowing out freshly washed hair, and you can see the shrinkage is crazy. So I basically took my hair and parted it in 4 sections and just blew it out. But look at my hair, y'all. It's flourishing, it's healthy, thick, full. You see it, you see me. Washing my hair and blowing it out is like an all-day process for me, so I didn't really have the time to sit there and like record the whole thing with you guys. So I just wanted to show you bits and pieces of me doing my hair because it is too much, child. This was my hair fully blown out, and I'm just going to go in and show you what I do. So I normally get a heat protecting serum, rub that in my palms, put that through each section of my hair when I do my all 4 sections, and then I just take my time and I go in and blow it out. When I tell you, if you don't have a heat protector, get a heat protectant. It is good for your hair. I use it all the time. Ever since I used to have like so much heat damage, I do not play any games when it comes to my hair. So I always make sure I have a heat protectant before I'm blowing out my hair or just even putting any kind of heat on it. So this is the next day because who was doing a blowout, a wash, and turning around and doing a ponytail? Not me. Y'all see all this hair. I don't have time for it. Like, I be too tired. But yeah, I'm just going in right now and I'm detangling my hair. And for the first part, everything is pretty much self-explanatory. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to let you guys enjoy this video. But before you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button so every time I post, you up on game.
Drink Crystal on this one. I got my Gotcha 97 on right now. You got a puff with Jada.
I'm tired of little talks. Like, I am.
This one. You can't roll a blunt up to this one, boy.
So contagious, I can't take it. Help my baby, let's just make it. What's your name?
I see some ladies tonight that should be rolling with Jason. Jason.
Lady, what's your name?
I see some ladies tonight that should be rolling with Jason. Jason. Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one night some. Now she don't like him. She never met him. Ruby's trying to take advantage of him. He won't let him. He don't need him. So he treats him like he treats him. Better them than me. She don't agree with him. She's mad at that. He's not having that. So
Right here, I'm just going in and I'm sectioning off my hair so that I can go in with my Infinity Hair Pro flat iron, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just sitting there and flat ironing my roots out so that my roots can be nice and smooth so I can sleek this ponytail. Because when you have thick, coarse hair, that is what you have to do. Now I'm going in with my beeswax and I'm just hitting a blow dryer to it so it can get melted a little bit so that I can apply it on my hair just how I like it. This was taking way too long for my liking, so watch what I end up doing.
those opposites attract like magnets. She sees more than a Benz wagon, the friends tagging along, the flashy nigga bragging on the song. She gets a glimpse of Sean and she likes that. He 2 ways.
I'm so dumb, cause look, y'all, the whole thing. Oh my god. I know I didn't. I guess I'm gonna have to let it sit on my finger and get hardened. No, I did not just do that.
So she writes back, smiley faces after all of her phrases. Even she the one on caught in the matrix. But fuck it, let the bitch burn. Red or green pill, you live and you learn. Come on. You gotta throw in your fine linens for this one. Can't even even drink Crystal on this one.
Basically what I'm doing is I'm taking my beeswax and I'm going in with each section and putting beeswax on each section, and then I'm taking my brush and sleeking my hair as much as I can, and then I'm going in with my got to be glue and I'm just gonna spray it. So throughout this process you're gonna see everything is pretty much repetitive.
I got my Gotcha 97 on right now. You gotta puff a J to this one. Can't roll a blunt up to this one, boy.
What's your name?
I see some ladies tonight that should be rolling with Jason. Jason.
What's your name?
I see some ladies tonight that should be rolling with Jason. Jason. Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one night some. Now she don't like him. She never met him. Ruby's trying to take advantage of him. He won't let him. He don't need him. So he treats him like he treats him. Better them than me. She don't.
Like how, Sway? How did I melt it that much? Should that be going rival when you keep dipping your hand in and it melt and form your fingers and shit? That's what this is giving.
Agree with him. She's mad at that. He's not having that. So those opposites attract like magnets. She sees more than a Benz wagon. The friends tagging along. The flashy nigga bragging on the song. She gets a glimpse of Sean and she likes that. He two-ways her, so she writes back. Smiley faces after all of her phrases. Either she the one or I'm caught in the matrix. But fuck it, let the fish burn. Red or green pill. You live and you learn. Come on. You gotta throw in your 5 minutes for this one.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know. I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know. I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Yeah, when I say I got this ponytail sleeked, I had to make sure it was sleeked. I kept rapping and rapping and rapping till I could not rap no more. And you know, if you're a black girl, you already know our arms be tight. Look how Look how tight I'm wrapping it. My head did not hurt, by the way, but look how tight I'm wrapping it. And I get the scrunchies. I don't know if you can see it, but I get the scrunchies with no elastic. I'm ODing. I'm sorry. I get the scrunchies, but no elastic band, so I can keep wrapping as tight as I can. But you see that formation? It is nice and tight, and I'm making sure it is nice, tight, and secured. Look, dancing, because my arms hurt. See? Look.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it.
So once I formed my ponytail and got it sleek how I liked it, I'm just going to take some black strips and tie it around my head, and also take another scarf and sit there and tie it around my head. Now, I just want to make a disclaimer. You know how when you cook, but the food look good, but it tastes nasty? This is what this ponytail was given. Like, the construction of making the ponytail was horrible, but it looked good. You know what I'm saying? So, and this was my first time doing a ponytail. So, judge me or don't judge me. It really don't matter. But the look was good. So, that's all that matters. Take that back. I meant to say when y'all cook and the food look good, but it don't taste good.
Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so.
This is the part that I was talking about when I said when the food presentation look good, but when you taste it, it's nasty. This is exactly what I meant. But I don't even gotta explain too much. You guys is gonna see. But like I said, this is my first time even wrapping a black strip around my braid or just even doing a ponytail, period. But like I said, you gotta just trust the process in this video. You see what I mean? Because why the black strip look like that? But just trust the process, y'all.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you.
When I tell y'all, since this was my first time doing it, I was struggling. I'm like, how do y'all do this? Like, how do y'all do this? How do y'all wrap it good? Like, I was going through it. So eventually I had to stop recording and actually go into the mirror and actually look at it so I can make sure that I'm doing it right. Pretty much I'm just taking the glue, wrapping it around the weft of my braided ponytail, and pretty much just keep wrapping, add more glue, just keep wrapping, add more glue, just keep wrapping, and then blow it so it could stay dry and stick to my hair. And that's pretty much it. It's really repetitive, so once you get the hang of it, for the most part you're gonna get it. But when I say it was hard and complicated, I was struggling because it was definitely my first time. And you see I got glue all over my hand. Like, yeah, I was going through it.
I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I know, I know you ain't gotta talk alright. I know you ain't gotta talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. patience. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed.
One thing about me, I love crimped hair, so that's what I decided to do for this ponytail. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and keep watching.
Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body. My mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I know, I know, you ain't gotta talk alright. I know you ain't gotta talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know that shit, know that shit, know what it is. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together, get it together. I really wanna stay, I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together, get it together.
Can't even drink Cristal on this one. Holla. I got my Gotcha 97 on right now. You gotta puff a J to this one. Can't roll a blunt up to this one, boy.
What's your name?
I see some ladies tonight that should be rolling with Jason. Jason.
What's your name?
I see some ladies tonight that should be rolling with Jason. Jason. Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one night some. Now she don't like him. She never met him. Groupies try to take advantage of him. He won't let him. He don't need him. So he treats him like he treats him. Better them than me. She don't agree with him. She's mad at that. He's not having that. So those opposites attract like magnets. She sees more than a Benz wagon. The friends tagging along. The flashy nigga bragging on the song. She gets a
So once I was done with my hair, I went in with my Got To Be Glue spray and just sprayed it everywhere to hold it in place. And then I took my pink hairspray to give it some shine and sleek and make it smell good. So this was the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys stay tuned to watch me more. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button. Thank you guys again for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe.
So Sean and she likes that. He two ways her, so she writes back. Smiley faces after all of her phrases. Even she the one on caught in the matrix. Well, fuck it, let the bitch burn. Red or green pill, you live and you learn. Come on. Woo! You gotta throw in your 5 minutes for this one.
Shakaya, I see glitter on your face when I look at you. Body is so perfect when I look. It look all on you. Working in school so you can get where you wanna be. I see your rap skills and education, it was starting me. Shakaya, I see glitter on your face when I look at you. Body